check out our vending machine. Now, the vending machines in Japan, like if you see the blue, that means the drinks are cold. If it has red, they're warm. So like this tea, this green tea, will come out warm. And all these like coffees and lattes and things, if it's red, it's gonna come out warm. Our money, so this is 100 yen coin, this is 150, 100. And I'm going to get this one. Oh, it's warm. Ouch. That is so cool. It's hot. It smells good. Like a tea. I think it's like a latte. Tea latte. That's really good. Okay. Coffee matcha. Yum. And it's so hot. You want to pick one? Maybe this one. I don't know what the difference is. All right, so here we go. Here's our 100 yen. And we're gonna go with this one. Okay. Ooh, coffee. Yeah, it's just like coffee. But in the morning, if I'm wanting just coffee, well, that is our first experience with vending machines. And now you know the difference between the blue and the red.